Hi there, most of you will know ExploreVan, our Iveco daily camper van, which is a family we love. You can check out a full tour of it up here and linked in the video description. But sometimes I just want to get away quickly and easily on my own or with my four-legged companion here for a mini adventure, without bothering to take the big camper and in something a little more discreet, making finding somewhere to stay a bit easier. As I already had a car big enough to stay in overnight, I decided let's make it as comfortable and capable as a micro camper as I can, but without too much effort or any permanent modifications. So in this video, I'm going to share what I've done and hopefully give you some ideas as to how easy it can be. So stick with us as we show you around.
Don't forget to check out our other videos on everything campervan and motorhome related, from solar to water, heating to gadgets, tyres to trips. If you like this video, please do hit the thumbs up. It really does help me to know what you like, and you can ask any questions or give feedback in the comments. If you want to make sure you don't miss any of our future videos, please hit the subscribe button, and clicking the bell will give you a notification when a new video goes live. Finally, if you do decide to hit the thumbs down, it would be great if you could also leave a comment so I know what you didn't like.
We're starting with a standard Land Rover Discovery Sport. We picked this as a family car because of its 7-seat option and having plenty of room for the dog. But the other advantage is, even though I'm just over 6 foot, it has enough room for me to lay out comfortably in the back. The stuff I have added to make it more comfortable can really be applied to any car you can fit in. So let's take a look what we did to get it camper ready. If you're interested in finding out more about any of the things that we've used, I've included links in the video description.
The first thing is dead simple and multi-purpose. By attaching a cargo strap between the front roof handles, I can throw a cheap double sleeping bag over it to act as a curtain. Not only does this give us some privacy and black out the light, it also provides some insulation from the driving area, so only a smaller area needs to be kept warm. On the rest of the windows, I simply cut cheap EVA foam floor tiles to fit each window, providing privacy and insulation. The bed is simply a cheap memory foam mattress which fits perfectly. If you've already seen our video on the kit we've used from IKEA, also linked here, you'll know the storage cooking surface is a Trofast wall unit. My water is in a 5-litre container, and using this USB rechargeable tap, it's really easy to dispense. If away for just a single night, the All Powers R600 power unit with 299 watt-hours of power is enough for phone and tablet charging, limited hot drinks, using a low wattage travel kettle, and hot food on the Van Gogh Sizzle induction hob. As I really like my coffee, I also use a portable espresso press. When it comes to keeping warm, the R600 can also power my 12-volt heated blanket for a limited time, which makes my sleeping bag nice and cosy. This small 500-watt fan heater is great, but it needs more power, so my choice of power station for longer or colder trips is the Affery P210. With 2048 watt-hours, nearly 7 times the power for just over 3 times the cost, plus the pretty unique feature of a 25 amp 12-volt output socket, enabling it to run a diesel heater, which most won't as they are limited to 10 amp output sockets. So if it's really cold, it can power our H-Calorie all-in-one rugged diesel heater, which I have bolted to this wheel step, which we lock to the wheel to make it more secure. The flexible hose routes the hot air into the camper, and I can control it from inside on my phone or tablet. The same duct entry point allows me to use a few cheap parts from Screwfix and a USB powered fan to extract smell and moisture when I cook in the car, which I can do pretty safely on the induction hob. Helping to keep the power topped up is a 100-watt folding solar panel that can fit in the windscreen or be placed outside. When I do put it outside, I add a car lock vibration sensor to give early warning if someone is tampering with it. So our car lock tracker not only gives the vehicle some protection, warning us if it's being tampered with and allowing us to track it in the unfortunate circumstance it's stolen, but it also gives us a notification if anyone is tampering with any of the external items we have with vibration sensors attached. When it comes to entertainment, I keep it simple. A tablet with music, videos and streaming service apps is a bonus on long nights or bad weather. Again, keeping it simple, a 5G phone hotspot for internet connection, and if the signal isn't great, this can go in a waterproof box on the roof. If you can't be sure you'll remember it's there, a piece of string attached to the box hanging through the door is a helpful failsafe.
I know there's nothing groundbreaking in what I've done to make a stopover in the car more comfy, but I do hope if it's something you're looking to do that it gives you some ideas.
Thanks for watching our video, and as always, if you have any questions or feedback, please pop them in the comments below. If you find the video useful, please like, share and consider subscribing.